Hello YouTube, what's up and welcome to this amazing new video. Today I've got something very special for you because I built an Arduino controlled Bluetooth car that you can control with any ordinary smartphone. So let's start with this video and have a closer look at what this thing can do. Let's talk about some of the technical details here for a moment. Well, for driving I used a standard 9V DC motor, which is controlled by an L298H bridge array. This H bridge array is needed to control whether the vehicle is going forwards or backwards. And it's also used to control the speed of the whole vehicle. And for steering I used a standard 9-gram servo for this, but in fact it's a metal geared one because like earlier I had a plastic gear one built into the device and everything just broke and ripped off, so I thought I maybe install a metal gear, and this works perfectly until today. And for the display I used a Nokia 5110 LCD display, which is in fact a black and white monochrome display, but it works perfectly because it's easy to interface. And while talking about interfacing, I used an Arduino Nano microcontroller to control everything on this car. And it's in fact an Arduino with an Atmega 328P on it. And the Arduino communicates with the Bluetooth module. In fact, I used a Bluetooth HM10 low energy module, which is a serial module, and it communicates with your smartphone. And on your smartphone, the user can decide whether the device should go forwards or backwards, or you can control the steering or whatever. And this is done with the Blink app. The Blink app is Blink is a cloud service that offers you to build your own little app or program on your smartphone, and that controls what you have built physically with your microcontroller and whatever. It also works with ESP32, for example, or with an Arduino Leonardo or whatever, but I used a Bluetooth Low Energy program and it works perfectly, so that's great. Well, let's talk about the code. Okay, there's nothing special to say about it, because all the code does is to interpret all the comments it gets over the Bluetooth Low Energy communication, because the whole brain of everything is the user with a smartphone in his hands, and the car does only what the user tells the car to do. So yeah, well, nothing special, no cool algorithms or whatsoever. Maybe you're interested in some specs as well. The car can go almost 20 kilometers an hour, that is for Rodi over the pond, around 12.4 miles an hour. And the car uses 6 AA batteries, which all deliver 1.5 volts, so they sum up together to a lovely 9 volts. And those 9 volts and those 6 batteries are capable of delivering power to the car for almost 2.5 hours. With continuous driving. And yeah, that's it for now. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did so, then please share and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.